Good morning, everyone. How are you doing? How was your New Year?
Good, good.
Great. How about others? Happy New Year, everyone. Shall we start? Are we all in?
Yeah.
Right. It's great. Did you take? Did all of you take the second um periodical test? Again, did all of you take the second periodical test? Hello, grade seven. Because we will have the item analysis of your second periodical test afterwards. Okay, I want to make it sure if everyone did take the second periodical test. Okay, that's great. So since everyone take or already taken the second periodical test, we'll have the item analysis for your second periodical test. Are you really sure? How about others? Make it sure because after this item analysis for your second periodical test, those who didn't take the second periodical test who were not able to take, I will not let you take anymore the second periodical test. Anybody with concern with the second periodical test? Anybody?
No. No.
How about your other classmates? Please tell your classmates to join us in the meeting. Those that are not present yet or didn't actually join the meeting, just to make it sure. I will just give around a minute for them to join. Please tell your classmates to join. Alright? Again, please tell your classmates to join. Those that has concerns with the second periodical test. By the way, everyone, please turn on your camera. Okay. I want to make sure that everybody don't have a concern with their second periodical test. We will have, I will just extend my patience with regards to uh, the item analysis. We'll have the item analysis by next meeting. Again, we'll have the item analysis by next meeting. Please tell your classmates if they have concerns with the second critical test in order for me to give you a chance or to fill up or to give you an assistance with your second critical test. Right? Am I making that clear? Grade 7?
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. With regards to the next lesson, it is already uploaded in the LMS. Please check on the LMS since I already uploaded your next lesson. The module is already there. Okay? And please prepare for the topic itself. Right? Since then, I think that will be all for today. Again, please tell your classmates that if they have concern with the second periodical test, please let me know in order for me to give you an assistance with regards to the second periodical test. Right? Grade 7?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. So I'll be ending the Zoom meeting. And please prepare for uh, the item analysis by next meeting. Right? Thank you and goodbye, grade 7. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Bye. Bye. Thank you.